Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Benvika Fidan Fajlita, and today I would like to explain about my planned interview with an EFL students with a semi-structured interview format. Okay, for first thing that I prepare for this interview is participant. Name of participant is Salsabila Olivia. Second things is activity. Um, My interview about speaking by watching English movie that played by actor who have native speaker accent. Okay, next is the purpose. The purpose about my interview is to find out whether there is an impact on the development of speaking skills to EFL students after watching an English movie that was played by an actor who have native speaker accent. Okay, the last but not least is pleasant time. Okay, at 8 a.m. on Monday, 11th October 2021 on Zoom platform. Okay, maybe we can watching my plane interview with Salsabila. Thank you.